Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys iqoo mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys iqoo mobile guys password security setting, and today video title is guys how to set up face lock in iqoo mobiles. Friends, you want to set up face lock, you want to use face lock setting. So friends, now let's see how to use face lock setting. Friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. So friends, in your iqoo mobile, open your phone security setting. After on phone security setting friends, open your phone face lock setting. Select your password with face lock, pattern, pin and password. So friends, I will use pin password 123. Friends, remember your password, don't do any mistake. Okay friends, I will use 1234 easy password. Confirm, done option, okay option, show your face, and face lock will set up. And friends, you can use face lock, you can unlock your device with face lock. After show face guys, face lock will set in your device, and now you can use face lock in your iqoo mobile. So friends, lock your device screen and you can unlock your device with face lock. Show your face, phone will unlock automatic. So like that way you can set up face lock, you can use face lock setting in your iqoo mobile, and you can unlock your phone with pin password also. 123, enter password, show face lock, you can unlock your device. So like that friends, you can use password security setting in your iqoo mobile. So friends, like that we can use face lock setting. Open your phone setting friends again. After turn on phone setting friends, if you click here effect settings, so friends you can change your face lock animation. You can set your face lock animation in your device. So friends, again open your phone security setting, open your phone face lock setting, enter your face lock password, and friends, you want to use face lock on your privacy password, right click here, you can set privacy password. After set privacy password, you can use face lock on your privacy password setting. And friends, you don't want to use face lock, you can delete face lock. And friends, you want to remove your screen lock. So friends, after remove screen lock, face lock will delete automatic in your Android phone device. If you remove your screen lock, face lock will delete automatic. Again, you want to use face lock, you will have to set up face lock, then you can use it. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.